Hey there! What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? We don't stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing. George Bernard Shaw. Action. Revisit a favorite hobby that you used to love doing as a child. What was it? All right, which item has our quotes today? The only thing you're missing out on by not drinking is a massive hangover, regret, brain fog, crappy sleep, anxiety, loss of time, and shame. I will start filling my own cup, being my own muse, knowing my own worth, loving my own skin, praising my own existence, validating my own journey, speaking my own truth, admiring my own reflection, experiencing my own love, enjoying my own company, creating my own paradise. May I be safe. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. And may you live with ease. I'm not everything that has ever happened to me. I am everything I became healed, stronger but softer, focused but not obsessed, a teacher but still a student. I am not broken. I am beautiful. I am a survivor. Crossing things off my to-do list. I didn't do them. I just don't want them on my list anymore. And the last one today. Pause. How do you feel inside? Pause throughout your day and notice what's happening within you. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.